Hey guys, I am going to show you how to measure distance using Google Maps on an Android or an iPhone, and on your laptop or desktop. Before we begin, make sure your Google Maps app is updated to the latest version. To change the preference of the distance unit for measurement, you can change it in settings. Like this. You have two units to choose from, miles and kilometers. So let's say you have to prepare for a 600 meters race, and you're not sure how many blocks you need to run in your locality. So this is what you do. Press and hold at a point where you want to begin, it appears as a dropped pin. Swipe up, to get more option for your dropped pin. Tap Measure Distance. Now trace the path that you want to measure. So if we want to see how much is 600 meters, we can do that too. That's 550. And this is 600. If I want to undo any point, I can just click on the undo button above, on the upper right hand side, and I can retrace the path. So now, I am going to show you how to measure distance on Google Maps, on your desktop or laptop. Right-click anywhere on the map that you want to be the starting point. Now, all you have to do is add points by a left click, to trace the path. You can also move any point as you wish, if you want to change its origin, but you cannot undo a point, so try not to click at random points. So that is about 600 meters. You can also measure the area by making it a complete figure. Like this. So that is how you measure distance, or area on Google Maps, on any desktop or laptop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If it helped you, please subscribe to my channel, and hit the thumbs up button.